Today we're making vegan Nutella.
Let's get started and let's keep it easy.
1 cup of vegan chocolate, 4 tablespoons of coconut cream, a half a teaspoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of organic maple syrup, cinnamon and hazelnut powder about a teaspoon each, and 1 small glass container. To melt your chocolate, you'll want to bring about 1 inch of water to simmer in a saucepan. Then you'll place your heat-proof bowl in the center of the saucepan with the chocolate, and then just keep an eye on it and stir it occasionally as the chocolate begins to melt. Go ahead and add your coconut cream, and I'll be sure to add the full recipe in the description box below. And go ahead and give it a nice stir so that you're starting to combine your chocolate and your coconut cream. And once your chocolate and coconut cream are totally combined, you're ready to move on to the next step. So now you're ready to give it a nice stir, allow it to cool down just slightly, not totally, and then start pouring that into your glass container. Add your maple syrup, your vanilla, and after that go ahead and add your hazelnut and cinnamon mixture. Now give all of those ingredients a nice stir, get everything nice and combined, and you are almost done. Okay, now this looks delicious and smooth and ready to eat. Let's plate this up with some delicious pretzels.
So that's the recipe, guys. I'm sure if you try it, you will absolutely love it. It's so good to use for dipping strawberries. You can put pretzels in it. You can spread it on toast and put some avocado on it. Oh, I could go on and on. But that's it for today, guys. If you want to follow me for more vegan lifestyle, I'm on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at Natural Vegan Mama. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.